Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing one of the biggest hosting deals of the year. Bluehost just launched their Black Friday sale, and these prices are only available until December 1st. If you're planning to start a blog, business website, personal brand, or online store, this is your moment. Let's talk pricing, because the discounts are actually impressive. The business hosting plan for 36 months is now only $4.19 per month. That is one of the lowest rates you'll see from a top-tier hosting provider all year. And if you're building an online store, the eCommerce Essential Plan is also on sale. It's currently $9.99 per month for the 36-month option, which is perfect for WooCommerce users. Need more performance? Bluehost is also offering extra discounts on VPS hosting. And even their high-performance hosting has added percentage savings right now. So whether you're just starting or scaling up, there's something that fits every level. But here's what makes this year different. Bluehost has moved its platform to Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. That means faster website speed, better uptime, and overall stronger performance. This upgrade alone makes the current pricing an even better value. If you've been waiting for the right time to launch your website or upgrade your hosting, this is the best opportunity of the year. But remember, all deals end December 1st. So check the link below in the video description, compare the plans, and lock in the price while it's live. Thanks for watching, go take a look, and I'll see you in the next video.